Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of changing high contrast in Windows 10. Whether you prefer a visually distinct interface or need better readability, these simple steps will help you customize your Windows experience. So let's get started. Step 1. Press Start. Step 2. Go to Settings. Step 3. Click on Ease of Access. You'll find it near the bottom of the menu, next to a dotted line icon resembling a clock. Great. Once you've reached the Ease of Access settings, we can proceed to the next step. Step 4. Click on High Contrast. You'll see this option in the vertical menu on the left side of the window. Excellent. You're almost there. Now let's move on to the final step. Step 5. Toggle on the Turn on High Contrast option. Please note that it may take a moment for Windows to apply the color change. Fantastic. You've successfully changed the high contrast settings in Windows 10. Enjoy a visually distinctive interface or improved readability based on your preferences. That's all for today's tutorial on changing high contrast in Windows 10. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.